going to make a peanut butter jelly sandwich. Peanut butter jelly time. And right here we are making corn, but we're going to do that in the other video, so please just ignore that. And also we are trying to get to 100 subscriptions. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you are pressing the subscribe button, turning on notifications, all of them, and then hit that like button. So yeah, today we're gonna make peanut butter jelly. So first, you got some bread. Make sure your bread isn't moldy. Mold is like little green or white or green and white spots. So you're gonna take 2 pieces of bread, and then you're gonna lie them side by side. At least that's how I do it. And then you are going to get some peanut butter on your butter knife, or you can use a spoon. I'm using a butter knife because I'm older, but you gotta be very careful because it's still part of the knife family. And you're just gonna smear your peanut butter. Okay. Now if you want a little more, you can, because I still need to do the others. Okay. If you don't want to use a knife, you can use a spoon to get your peanut butter and your jelly. So, yeah. Okay. Maybe a little tiny bit more. And take out the spoon. I'm gonna put it on my plate for right now. And then you'll put them together, just like this. And now you